I gotta admit, I kind of dropped the ball on some early video of this project. This one is a 77 CJ7. It's one of three that we're working on right now. It looks pretty good and got it at a great price, so it was a good Jeep to start with. There's a few things that are wrong with it. First of all, there's no electrical at all. I think the only thing hooked up is the starter. There's no lights, front or rear, no gauges, no dash, no tack, nothing. There's a brand new painless wiring harness in it, and it looks like they got partway into it and couldn't figure it out. Other things that we already know are an issue on it. The engine oil pan leaks. There's an exhaust manifold leak. Body is fiberglass. It's okay, but it's got a little bit of damage to it. Frames had a couple of repairs done to it that need to be fixed. Interior is pretty good. A couple of seat repairs that need to be done. And the tires are Mickey Thompson Tiger Claw 36 inch by 15 and a half inch wide. And the only problem is though they look new, they're actually 14 years old. So we're going to get into this job. You're going to see more video as we move forward. I'll do each of the pieces in different videos. Stay tuned. And of course, subscribe so you can keep an eye on what we're doing with this one.